Hello to all my dear loving kids. How are you all? Children, we have done with our lesson number 2, that is types of software. Okay. So today in this video I am going to discuss the exercises questions with you all. Okay. As I've already given these questions in your previous assignments, but still in this video I'm just going to write down or going to solve these question answers for you. The students who do not know how to write down the answers, or those who are finding difficulty in writing and finding the answers, they can take help from here. Okay, and those who have done the question answers, they just simply need to recheck it from here. Okay, just do the correction by yourself. If there is something wrong, just correct it in your book and notebook as well. Okay, children. So, on page number 17, exercises questions are given. Okay, so let me read out the instructions for you. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. The first part, the collection of programs that instructs a computer how to perform different types of tasks is called dash. Now children, the set of instructions are known as software. What we call them? Software. It is the set of instructions according to which the computer works. Okay, and it according to the set of instructions, with the help of this, a computer knows how to perform a task. Second one, a compiler transforms the human readable code of an entire program to dash code. As compiler is a language processor, children, what it does, it converts the human languages, the high level languages, into the machine languages. Okay, so that computer can understand our instructions. Okay, so what it does, it converts the human readable language into machine language code. Okay, and the machine language is what? It is in the form of 0 and 1. Now here comes the third one. A dash program helps to perform calculations, analyze data and present information in tabular form. Now children, write down spreadsheet. Children, spreadsheet is a kind of a software which helps you to write down the data in tabular forms. Means it organize your data in rows and columns form. Okay. Now, in which and in this spreadsheet or in MS Excel, you can perform calculations also. Okay, by putting the formulas. Now, fourth one, DBMS stands for, write down children, Database Management System. Okay, this DBMS, this database collects a lot of information about a person or an organization, and it collects it in one place. Okay, now fifth one, specific purpose application software is used in dash. Here the options are given in which billing system is there. So, the specific purpose application is used in billing system also. Here comes a question number 2. Write T for true and F for false statements. The statements which are wrong, in front of it you have to write down false, and the statements which are correct, you have to write down T in front of that. Means it's true. The first one is, operating system is the central coordination between hardware and software. Now, operating system is a system software, children. It acts as an interface between the hardware and software. Hardware is the computer, okay, and it makes the software. It makes the computer run. For a hardware to work, software is required, okay. So, this statement is true. Write down T in front of it, or true. Okay. Now, the second one, school software is a part of general purpose application software. See children, school software, it is a software which is particularly designed for that school, for that organization. Okay, so that is customized operating system, customized software. Okay, it is not a general purpose application software. Okay, it does not perform variety of tasks. Okay, so this statement is false. Write down F in front of it. Got it, children? Third one, assembler converts machine language code to an assembly language code. Children, this statement is wrong. Why? Because it converts the assembly language code into the machine language code. Okay, because it is a language processor, it is used to convert our human readable languages, high level languages, into the machine level languages. Machine level languages are like what? In the form of 0 and 1, which the only computer can understand, which the only machine can understand. Okay, so we require a translator, that is assembler. Okay, that it converts the assembly languages into machine level languages. So here it is written wrong, that it converts the machine level language into assembly level language. So this statement is wrong. Write down F. Okay, children. Now the fifth one, disk defragmentation is the technique of compressing files. No, children, this statement is wrong. Disk defragmentation, it is a process which collects the similar kind of files in one place and makes the space free for other files to store. Okay, and compressing file means it is reducing the size of a file. Okay, so they both are different. So disk defragmentation, it is not a technique of compressing files. They both are different. Okay, so this statement is wrong. Write down F in front of it. Okay, now sixth one, McAfee is an antivirus program. Yes, children, it is an antivirus program. Write down true. Okay, it removes, it detects the viruses, okay, in your computer, and it helps your computer to prevent from those viruses so that your computer can work smoothly. Here comes our next question. Question number 4. Write one word for the following. The first one, software that is used to manage all programs and resources of a computer. We have studied about the two types of computer system, two types of software, system software and application software. So system software, it helps a computer to run properly and to manage its programs. Okay, how a computer should work, what it is to be performed. So this all is to be taken care by the system software. Okay, it manages the computer system. So write down system software. Now children, second point, a program that converts high level language code to machine language code line by line. Now children, we have studied about the three types of translators, assembler, interpreter and compiler. Now interpreter and compiler, they both do the same work. Okay, they convert the high level languages into machine code, but there is a difference. Okay, interpreter converts the high level language into machine level language line by line, but a compiler converts the high level language into machine language in one go. The entire program it converts in one go into machine level language. Got it, children? So here the statement is written, converting the high level language to machine level language line by line. So the answer is interpreter. Okay, children? Now comes to the third point, programs that support the smooth functioning of a computer. Okay, now children, what type of softwares perform this kind of task? Means what kind of softwares helps a computer to run smoothly and they manages if there is any error. Okay, so what kind of softwares are there? Yes, children, utility. Utility softwares support the smooth functioning of a program, or you should have written utilities over here. In your book, utilities are written, okay? Is written. Now, fourth one, application software that helps to create structured text documents. Now, structured text documents means typing. What kind of software help us to type the documents, create, edit the documents? Yes, children. For this, we would require word processing softwares like MS Word, okay, like WordPad, Notepad. So these are the word processing softwares which are used to type, edit the text documents, okay, written documents. Got it, children? Now the fifth one, set of instructions written in computer language to perform a specific task? Answer is software. Software are the set of programs or the codes that are written in computer language so that computer can perform accordingly. Got it, children? So now let us move to our question number 5. Write short answers. The first one, what is a system software? Now here comes the second one. Briefly describe the disk defragmenter program. Now here comes our question number 3. What is utility software? Give 2 examples. Number 4. Differentiate between compiler and interpreter. Done our question number 5. Now let's move on to question number 6. Long answer questions. Question number 1. Explain the types of language processors. Let's move on to question number 2. What is general purpose application software? Explain with examples. Question number 3. Differentiate between compression and disk defragmentation. Question number 7. Multiple choice questions, that is MCQs. 4 options are there. You have to find out the correct option and you have to put a tick mark in front of it. Okay. Now question number 1. MS PowerPoint is an example of dash. Option A, database software. Option B, multimedia software. Option C, presentation software. And option D, chips. The answer is presentation software. C point. Presentation software. MS PowerPoint is a presentation software, children. Okay. Now the second one, a master control program that runs the computer. Option A, interpreter. Option B, compiler. Option C, assembler. And option D, operating system. The answer is option D, operating system. The third one, backup is a dash software. Options are A, customized. B, utility. C, general purpose. And D, specific purpose. Now, backup is a utility software, children. So, B option is there. Put a tick mark in front of it. Okay. Now the fourth one, which of the following is not a function of operating system? Options are A, file management, B, memory management, C, database management, and D, device management. Now children, file management, memory management, and device management are the functions of operating system. But database management is not a function of operating system. It is a software. It is an application software. Okay. So option C is the answer. This is now for today in this video. We will be meeting soon in your next video. Till then, stay safe and stay home.